Alright guys, let me show you how you can go and get the quest done with the South Park Battle Pass to use flashers. So what you do, alright, so let me show you the map and where are possible. There's on the whole map there are flashers, but the first flasher should be the satellite dish down here by classified canyon. Also, when you walk a little bit more up over here and at the when here around this area, so around the classified canyon there you find at least two flashes. So one here, one over here, and then also that I know for sure is over here between Bumpy Bay and Tip Top Terrace. Here's the three trees with chests, cove, whatever it is. Down on the beach there's a flasher. Also there should be somewhere a tunnel here in the underground tunnel. There are like two flashes. I'm not sure if they say if it counts as long as one flasher or two flashes. Hopefully this helped. Like this video, comment below, and then I'll see you next time. Subscribe for more tutorials.